Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore the Agent CTI in Office 24x7. Agent CTI, or Computer Telephony Integration, helps agents manage both inbound and outbound calls directly from the Office 24x7 platform without switching between devices or tools. It works as a single control panel where agents can receive calls, dial out, and use features like hold, transfer, or conference, all in one place. When agents click on the Agent CTI button, the CTI panel opens up. By default, it appears in the Ready mode. This means the agent is immediately available to receive inbound calls and can also make outbound calls from the application. On the CTI panel, you'll notice a virtual number. This is the number through which all calls are connected to customers. Apart from Ready mode, there's another important status: manual. Agents can switch to manual mode by clicking on the Ready button. In manual mode, agents can only make outbound calls, but they won't receive inbound calls. This is particularly useful when agents need uninterrupted time to reach out to customers without being interrupted by incoming calls. Another useful option here is break. Agents can choose from predefined break types like lunch or tea breaks, or you can create custom break types as per your organization's needs. When an agent switches to break mode, the system and supervisors immediately know the agent is unavailable, and incoming calls are handled accordingly. There's also a dialed number field, where agents can type in a customer's phone number and simply hit the call button to connect. Alongside this, you'll find a dial pad, which lets agents enter numbers by clicking on the digits directly. After entering the number, they can hit the green call button to connect with the customer. Now, let's look at two more handy features on the CTI panel. First is the conference option. This allows agents to add one or more participants into a live call, making it possible for multiple people, such as a customer, agent, and supervisor, to be part of the same conversation. This is particularly useful in situations where customer queries require inputs from different departments. The second is the transfer option. This becomes active during live calls and allows agents to quickly transfer a customer to another user or department. This ensures that customers are connected to the right person without delays, improving both efficiency and customer experience. So, as you can see, the Agent CTI empowers agents to handle calls with complete flexibility. Using the ready and manual statuses, agents can balance between inbound and outbound calls, while features like break, conference, and transfer give them full control over how calls are managed. In the upcoming videos, we'll see how to actually execute inbound and outbound calls step by step.